So if I was a Mustang, I would be very scared right now because it looks like there's a lot of Camaros at Complete Street.
Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to work on something that we normally don't work on. We're going to work on
Mustangs.
So, with that said, I gotta admit that these
Mustangs
are pretty good cars these days. And I will tell you that they seem to be the best bang for the buck, especially if you're planning to upgrade performance-wise. Like, definitely really easy to get these things even into the 8s compared to other platforms. And this is coming from a GM guy as well that like soups up, like makes a pretty fast GM product here. And yeah, I mean, it's the
Mustang
is just really impressive. And today we have the opportunity to work on not one but two
Mustangs.
So I hope you enjoy, and I'm gonna let the guys take it from here because I don't know that I can handle it.
Back it up with one more. And...
Yeah.
Crazy consistent.
I like that it has a normal e-brake.
Huh?
Did it blow up?
Yes, I
It did not blow up.
It did not blow up. It smelled like cats.
Yeah, definitely has.
Did you kill some kittens?
Get it back there.
450? Oh. Didn't we have a stock one do 455?
This is a Gen 2. The Gen 3s make.
Was that a f***ing Penguin?
I like how you're totally different on video. This isn't how he is. He's not this witty normally.
There was witty though. I watched Good Luck Chuck the other night. I was like, oh man, this is a good movie.
I saw that.
Lots of nudity. Check it out.
And this is
Good Luck with Dane Cook, I think. And
yeah, Dane Cook,
Jessica
Jessica
Alba.
Alba.
What's it about?
You don't know?
So
He's got a curse on him that like when he has sex with somebody,
Oh, that one.
the next person
there
he
is
marries.
lots
So
of nudity in that one.
yeah, exactly. And the 3 boobs. Oh, I forgot to watch the 3 boobs. And the credits. The credits, guys. You got to go to the credits. They reveal the 3 boobs, and it's not like the Terminator, or not Total Recall 3 boobs. It's like legit 3 boobs.
anyway.
My wife's gonna watch this, and she's gonna be like, "We should get a divorce." Be like, "How about a 3rd boob?"
That's a weird looking GM car.
Yeah, very, very weird.
So everyone, this is Logan. He's the new guy. And to celebrate him being the new guy, we gave him a Mustang to work on. To do headers on. Yeah. It looks like those Hawaiian shirts that Guy Fieri wears with like random flames on them.
Yeah.
So for this one, we're doing long tubes.
Long tube, connecting to OEM Cadillac, I believe. Get flex fuel, and cutouts.
A later model intake, I believe.
Yeah.
That's been ported.
Yeah.
Hey, you're not Andrew or Eric,
I'm Alex.
the resident Mustang
Hi,
guru. So, we actually got asked this on Instagram. Do
Okay.
we tune Mustangs?
So we don't tune them. We have Lund tune them. Lund is the best in the business. They're local. They do a phenomenal job. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, we let Lund do tuning. We'll do the install so we can put together a package, put it all on, get it on the dyno, test it on a controlled environment so it's not like remote tuning on the street doing 160 down the highway, and test to make sure that's working right.
And that's what we're doing now.
Yep. Yeah, we're going to tune this on. This is 93 in it still. We're going to run on 93 tune. We're going to switch over to flex fuel tune, run on E85. Then we're going to switch over to E85R tune and test that as well.
I always liked how Mustangs could do that. You could just switch between 93 and E with like a press of a button.
It's cool that they have the flex fuel tune. It's not quite as dynamic as GM, where you have a sensor that's actually picking it up. What they're doing is they're kind of reading some stuff and it's calculating what the fuel trims are. So you let it like idle for a little bit and learn up, and you can actually see what the ethanol content is. But once it learns, you can rip on it on the 85.
Cool.
Cool beans.
So let's see what it can do with the bolt-ons on 93 first.
Heck yeah.
Thanks. 441.
It's pretty awesome. What was the torque?
395.
Cool. We'll do one to back it up. And then we'll switch over to cool beans. Okay. When I sent the log over to Lund, he said that 93 actually looked good, and he wasn't sure how much we're going to gain on that going to 85. So we'll do one more.
Dead on, 451 again.
Yep. This thing's been really consistent.
What do you think? Any guesses?
What is it? It's just full bolt-ons, no E.
There's no E. What do we do? Exhaust, and an intake. Is this good
With a
enough?
manual?
Yeah, it's the manual car. I don't know if they make stock.
I'm gonna say around 440.
Well, we'll see. Put down in the comments. What do you think? Right now. Pause it right now. Don't fast forward and then timestamp it. I fucking see you guys.
I apologize for Mike. He lost his coffee this morning.
Spit up my coffee.
Done yet? Why not?
Do you hate working on Mustangs yet?
There's that word again!
Wow, that was aggressive. Okay, then clean that up, would you?
The Gen 3 get the DI, they're higher compression, and it's actually slightly different bore size. Different heads, like lots of little things. It's a decent redesign. Also, the Gen 3s are when you can get the 10R80 instead of the 6R80.
All right. Straight from our resident Mustang expert. Okay.
Not bad, not bad.
I mean,
Let it give it a little cool down real quick and I'll run it again and see what we have to say.
so one of the major differences between the Mustang earlier in this video
Yeah.
and this one is the earlier one was a Gen 2 Coyote.
Yeah, this is Gen 3.
Yeah.
Now, this does not have a ported manifold, intake manifold. It's got a stock intake manifold.
Yes.
So this just has full exhaust with green cats and a JLT intake and a Lund tune.
But they are higher compression.
They are. Yeah.
So whereas the earlier one didn't gain much from E85, this probably would
Probably
love
would,
it.
but we're not doing it on
Not this time.
this. Not this go around.
Yeah.
So, I'll
Alright.
run it again.
So, I'm scared to say it. I'm gonna try it. The Mustang is a wonderful performance bargain. In fact, we even have Alex's still running, guys. He's just scared to bring it out. Twin turbo that makes 870 with like the twin turbo setup and like not much else. It's like that and E85 and a tune. Stupid. Oh, and upgraded injectors. We better get out of here before it runs us over. So we are doing Mustangs, obviously, and I do have respect for them. I didn't throw up that time. I'm getting better. This is pretty cool. Of course, our core is the GM vehicles, but you still have to give some props where it's due. The new Mustang is pretty damn nice and a performance bargain. I'd still take my C8 over it any day. Sorry, Mustang guys. But we have some good domestic stuff these days, all around, and I'm really happy to be about that, and not about stands. F stands. So if you're looking to build something mild with your Mustang, or you're looking to build something wild with your Mustang, we still have you covered. We're only doing the Coyotes, because that's all we have experience with. We've done everything on them now, so it's pretty cool. This is like an announcement that we're moving into another market too. That's weird. I don't know. Should we post this? Okay, I guess we'll post it. Sir, motherfucker! I hate these things. That's because I talked about stamps. This guy's got a flat stance now.
They're imports.
Dude, one crawled down my shirt the other day. It was on my neck. I was like, ah! And then I don't know if I swatted it into my shirt, but then it was crawling around in my shirt. It was the freakiest thing ever. I'm scared of bugs. I'm just very scared of bugs because I stepped on a bee's nest when I was little. And so when I see stuff, man, I freak out. When I feel stuff, I'm running. And there's nothing I can do about it. I'm not scared of much, but bugs. Like, what? Okay, guys, we'll see you on the next video. I hope you have a great, I don't know, whatever day it is. Maybe Thursday, maybe Saturday, I don't know. Whenever you're watching this, have a great day. Adios.
Mustang.